A business analyst is seen as an agent of a change. And for anyone to change anything, he or she should be aware of that area or subject of a change. It is the same for business. In order to transform the performance of your business, you should be aware of business growth techniques, mergers and acquisitions, enterprise risk management, budgeting and variance analysis. Do you really have those skills that can make you become the business analyst that you are looking for? No panic, folks. I'm Sam Hensayed and you are in the right place. I'm here to make sure that you will get the knowledge and skills required to lead the business growth strategy of your company. Your course will be focused on business growth and mergers and acquisitions, enterprise risk management, business budgeting and variance analysis. Many interesting topics. All you need to do is sign up to that course and let's start the journey together.